everybody. Hi, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm walking towards Caledonia Waterfall, located in Cyprus, a little bit up towards Troodos hill. So if you like my channel, like and click something button. Wow. जाँदा यो राम्रो रमाइलो beautiful ठाउँमा पुग्यो अनि I tried to make my first reels and it just turns out to be so funny. Just enjoy it. This is the point where we have to stop our car after drive about 30 minutes, and we have reached to the point where we will park our car and walk for about 2 kilometers ahead as we are hunting for the waterfall. Let's go. Look at this, how beautiful it is, guys. This I don't have battery. I just love it. Well, finally we have reached to the destination. Kind of lovely place in between. Have some pictures you will see as you go to the end of this video, so keep watching. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.